Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Hello everyone! In this video I will explain how to make delicious corned beef from a can. It's a simple and quick meal that's incredibly versatile. First, you'll want to open your can and drain any excess liquid thoroughly. Then, transfer the corned beef to a bowl and use a fork to break it into smaller, more manageable pieces. This initial preparation takes just about 1 minute and sets you up for success. There are several easy ways to cook your canned corned beef. For a wonderfully crispy texture, pan frying is excellent. Simply cook it in a skillet over medium heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Alternatively, you can bake it in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. For a super quick option, microwave it, checking every 60 seconds until it's heated through. To elevate the flavor of your corned beef, consider adding a few simple ingredients. Diced onions and bell peppers, about 1/4 cup of each, can be sautéed with the beef for added taste and texture. A dash of black pepper, garlic powder, or paprika will enhance its savory notes. For a deeper, richer flavor, stir in about 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce during the last few minutes of cooking. These additions take just a couple of minutes. Now for the best part, serving your delicious corned beef. It's fantastic served hot alongside toasted bread or crackers for a simple meal. For a hearty breakfast or brunch, pair it with scrambled or fried eggs. You can also create a classic corned beef hash by combining it with cooked diced potatoes and cabbage. Enjoy your flavorful and easy-to-prepare meal, perfect for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.